10 Essential Steps to Becoming an Entrepreneur. Becoming an entrepreneur is an exciting and fulfilling journey that allows you to bring your ideas to life and make a meaningful impact. While the path to entrepreneurship may seem daunting, breaking it down into actionable steps can make the process more manageable and increase your chances of success. In this article, we will explore the 10 essential steps to becoming an entrepreneur, guiding you through each phase of your entrepreneurial journey. Step 1. Self-assessment and idea generation. Before embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, take the time to assess yourself. Identify your skills, passions, and interests. What are you truly passionate about? What unique talents do you possess? Once you have a clearer understanding of yourself, brainstorm business ideas that align with your strengths and passions. Step 2. Market research and validation. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target market, competition, and potential demand for your product or service. Validate your business concept by seeking feedback from potential customers and industry experts. This step ensures that there is a viable market for your idea. Step 3. Develop a solid business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your vision, mission, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational details. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay focused on your goals. Step 4. Acquire relevant skills and knowledge to succeed as an entrepreneur. Continuous learning is essential. Identify the skills and knowledge required to run your business effectively. Attend workshops, take online courses, and seek mentorship to enhance your entrepreneurial capabilities. Step 5. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for entrepreneurship. Join entrepreneurial communities, attend networking events, and connect with mentors and potential partners. A supportive network can provide guidance, support, and valuable connections. Step 6. Secure funding. Determine your funding needs and explore various options such as personal savings, loans, grants, angel investors, or crowdfunding. Craft a compelling pitch or business proposal to attract potential investors. Financial resources are crucial for turning your business idea into a reality. Step 7. Set up your business. Choose a legal structure for your business, register your business name, and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Comply with legal and tax requirements to ensure a smooth operation. Step 8. Develop a minimum viable product, MVP. Develop a minimum viable product or prototype to test and validate your business concept in the market. Gather feedback from early adopters and iterate based on their insights. This step allows you to refine your product or service and ensure it meets customer needs. Step 9. Launch and market your business. Create a strong marketing and branding strategy to create awareness and attract customers. Utilize digital marketing, social media, content creation, and other channels to reach your target audience. Build relationships with your customers and focus on delivering value. Step 10. Continuously learn and adapt. The entrepreneurial journey is a continuous learning process. Stay updated with industry trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Seek feedback, analyze data, and adapt your strategies as needed. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and celebrate successes along the way. Becoming an entrepreneur requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. By following these 10 essential steps, you can navigate your entrepreneurial journey with confidence. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with passion, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Start today and embrace the incredible opportunities that entrepreneurship brings. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Your feedback matters to us. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Share this video with others to help our channel grow. See you next time.